Not entirely sure if this is the most efficient way for me to get to work. The snow's so deep. Yesterday nothing was open in the city because of all this. I'm stoked it's the weekday. It's kind of hard to come up with anything interesting to talk about on the weekend. I'm always kind of doing non-bike related stuff. So I shot a little bit of stuff. Half of it I can't actually use. I had a meeting on Saturday night to talk about bike stuff, but I asked the guy I was talking with about it if I could mention what we wanted to do in the vlog at all, and he asked me to hold off. So sorry, I don't mean to be like super secretive, but it's not only my project. So all right, so just like every other start of the week vlog, I'm gonna add everything I shot in to the video right now to give some context to the weekend, and hopefully I'll be at work by the time. The weekend's always kind of strange because I'm not at the shop and I don't know what to talk about. So I guess for today I'll just kind of bring you along for what I'm doing. I'm going bald. See? Doesn't get much better than that. And I can't remember the last time I've actually had someone else cut my hair. And today I'm gonna get one of these like fancy haircut shave things. Also, the right people seem to have started to take notice that I'm making videos, so that's what my meeting is about tonight. But for right now, Norton and I are going for a walk, and it's the first time in a few weeks that I've been able to do it without a sling. So that's also exciting. Shopping now. Can't help but wonder what the plan is there. I think it's pretty obvious that I was gonna edit this so that I'm not at work yet. Train's got it right. All right. I hardly advise anyone do this. Like a tunnel, a bit of a tunnel passageway there. All right, let's sell some bikes. It's a much fancier camera than mine. I bet my video gets more views than that guy's, even though he has a way bigger camera. Oh yeah, we decided to not have the store open. Just kind of at a loss for what to do for today's vlog. It's kind of hard to do this. It's kind of hard to do any real sort of cycling content with this kind of weather. So hopefully you don't mind some gratuitous amounts of footage from all around Halifax covered in snow. try that place. Can you guys see that door? Why is there a door there? It's very dangerous. I see you'll have lots of work to do, Jeff. I know. How's messengering today? Just the funnest? Buddy Frank. He's a messenger in town and he's working today. Crazy. Sometimes I kind of forget how cool the buildings are here. Just gotta look up from time to time.